esatto. Lui insieme.
I know your every move, so won't you just let me be? I've been here times before, but I was too bad to see that you seduce every man. This time you wanted to sleep. She said, that's okay, hey baby, do what you please. I am the stuff that you want, I am the thing that you need. She looked me deep in the eyes, she touching me so to stop. She says there's no turning back, she's something I'm touching her. Every musician's fan, after the curtain comes down, she waits at backstage doors for those who have prestige. She promised fortune and fame, a life that's so carefree. She says that's okay, hey baby, do what you want. I'll be your man on the thing, I'll be the freak you can turn. And I don't care what you say, I want to go too far. I'll be your everything, if you make me a star.
Ed eccole qua le nostre splendide protagoniste di questa serata, Jesolo per l'elezione di Miss Italia Veneto 2011.